Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that is reshaping our financial landscape, paving the way for new opportunities and innovations. At its core, Bitcoin operates on blockchain technology, which is a secure, transparent way to record transactions across multiple computers. Selecting the right Bitcoin wallet is crucial. You can choose from hardware, software, or mobile wallets, each with its own benefits. When selecting an exchange, consider security features, fees, and user experience to ensure a smooth buying process. The next step is registering and verifying your identity on the exchange, which typically includes providing your details and ID. You can fund your exchange account via bank transfers, credit cards, or other methods depending on the platform's options. When you're ready to buy Bitcoin, you can place a market order or a limit order depending on your investment strategy. It's essential to secure your Bitcoin investment. Enable two-factor authentication and have a backup strategy in place. Once you own Bitcoin, understanding how to send and receive transactions is key to managing your assets effectively. As you embark on your Bitcoin journey, stay informed about market trends, and remember that learning is a continuous process.